Hi, and welcome to Woodstock Homes and Lifestyle. Whether you're thinking about relocating to Woodstock or you already live here, this channel is all about helping you with the often confusing and complicated world of real estate. We also cover community events, property tours, restaurant reviews, outdoor recreation, and much more. My name is Rodney Forbes. My spouse Tony and I are real estate professionals, and we've called Woodstock, Georgia our home for over 20 years. We love the area, and for a long time we actually thought Woodstock was our own little secret. Well, the secret must be out, because in 2020, Money Magazine did a survey and they rated Woodstock as the number 17 city to live in the United States. And also in 2021, Homes.com did a survey and they rated Woodstock number 3. That's right, number 3 suburb to move to in the entire country. So if you're looking for information about the area, what it's like to live here, real estate market updates, new home developments, and lifestyle, you've come to the right place. There's also several communities nearby that we also like to talk about, like Holly Springs, Canton, Marietta, Roswell, and Alpharetta. If you'd like to learn more about the area, please subscribe. And also, please press the bell so you can be notified when we post our new weekly videos. And also, please comment below if there's any specific topic that you'd like to have covered on the channel in the future. You can also contact us below if you have any specific questions about the area. Thanks again for visiting, and we'll see you on the next video.